Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Looking at a toy hauler. This is a 14-foot garage with a half bath in the back. Gonna look around here. Paint job is absolutely gorgeous. He optioned with the paint on the side walls of the slides. Just beautiful. Blue, silver, kind of a pearl white color on there. Almost a silvery looking white. Really nice. Sharp. Just about ready to pull out. He got the Gen Y hitch. Smart move on that part. And he has a beautiful beachfront interior, getting all packed up. He's got his basement all packed. Look at a peek in there at the beautiful beachfront interior. So hey, this could be you. Give us a call at 844-284-6678 and give us a call. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about the Luxe Toy Hauler.